we skipped ahead a little bit, but before I go any further, I want to show you where we're at so far. Now, we're going to put ceramic tile down on the floor, so I went ahead and installed a HardieBacker. It used to be called Wonderboard, now it's HardieBacker. This product is much easier to use than Wonderboard for many reasons. The cutting, the installation, all of it. Now, it looks like this. This material, we're using in this case 1/2 inch, but you can also use 1/4 inch. Personally, my own personal reference, I like 1/2 inch. This way, in case your subflooring is not exactly up to par or completely flat for any reason, it doesn't really bend. You get a nice flat surface when you're putting down the tile. Another thing I want to talk about is a lot of contractors will just take the HardieBacker and screw it down on the plywood. Okay? That's actually not correct because you're missing a big step, which is you want to put thin set first. So you put a 1/4 inch notch thin set and then you put the HardieBacker. This will ensure that when you get expansion and contraction from your subfloor, that it won't crack any tiles. But like I said, a lot of contractors will skip that step. You know, some people say that it's their personal preference, but if you're doing it the way it should be done by the book, then you have to put a layer, a coating of thin set before you put the HardieBacker. Now in this case, I put my thin set down, I put down my HardieBacker, and then I taped all the seams just like you would drywall with some mesh tape. Now, when I'm ready to put down the tile, we'll be good to go. So, as you can see, I started with the drywall, just so that you can see where we're at. We have our finished plumbing or roughed in already done. I'll just have to cut this back according to wherever I want to put the track. I have my sewer, which that reminds me, let me cap that off, because all the fumes from the main stack of the house, since they have a working bathroom, will come up through there. So you want to keep that covered, which is why I have this one covered as well. We have the sheetrock started. We're going to continue the sheetrock. After that, we'll start the tile work and then the paint. But I'm skipping ahead a little bit. So we're going to take a few minutes, do some sheetrock, and then we'll come back.
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about the plumbing? How you went about the plumbing?
Well, the plumbing in this case was actually relatively simple. Reason being, we are right over most of the important plumbing. The stack is on this corner of the building. The plumbing and the water tank is right beneath your feet. Why don't we go downstairs and take a look at that?
That sounds good.
Pause that.